Let us recall the anatomy and physiological aspects of adrenal glands. Here we have the capsule, followed by the adrenal cortex, and then the medullary region. The adrenal cortex is made up of three layers: Zona Glomerulosa, Zona Fasciculata, and Zona Reticularis. So we know that Zona Glomerulosa is the outermost layer of the cortex and is the main site for the production of aldosterone. Now, the main function of aldosterone is to help regulate the blood pressure by increasing the absorption of sodium and excretion of potassium in the kidneys, particularly at the site of distal convoluted tubule and the collecting duct. Moving on, we have the zona fasciculata that lies between the zona glomerulosa and zona reticularis. It secretes the glucocorticoids such as the cortisol. Cortisol levels peak in the morning and reach its lowest levels at midnight. It helps break down the fats and proteins and regulates the blood glucose levels. It also has a role in suppressing the immune system and can also increase due to whenever the stress levels are high in an individual. Moreover, we have the third layer, which is the zona reticularis. It is the innermost layer of the adrenal cortex. It produces androgens, which includes dihydroepiandrosterone, and a precursor of testosterone, which is known as the androstenedione. The functions of these androgens is to stimulate the development of male characteristics. But do remember one thing: androgens are present in both males and females as well. I have an interesting mnemonic to help you memorize these hormones secreted by the adrenal glands. The 3S. Now here, the first S stands for salt, which will help you remember the action of the mineralocorticoids. The second S stands for sugar, helping you remember the action performed by the glucocorticoids. The third S stands for sex, relating to the androgens produced by the adrenal cortex.